What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all, I'm so excited to have you back again. I'm absolutely thrilled. So today we're not going to waste much time because I know what you came for. And honey, I am all for it as well. Hey, check this out. I need you to do me one big favor and we'll get this party started. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload, and you will not miss any of the great treatments I have in store for you. So today we're going to do another use it or lose it. I was running through, you know how I do, doing my research, and I ran across a treatment that will change your face overnight, making you younger looking, glowing, getting rid of the fine lines, all of that great stuff that it proclaims. So we're going to try it today. And it's as simple as this. Some Vaseline and an egg. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Well, we're going to find out today. All right, so Vaseline, as you all know, is one of those products that's been around for ages. Absolutely, it has been. So it is tried and proven, believe it. It is definitely a barrier that locks in moisture to the skin, leave your skin soft and supple. Some find it too greasy. If you do, then of course you know that Vaseline is not for you. Or some say it actually clogs their pores. Now Vaseline is a non-comedogenic. That means it does not clog pores, but everybody's skin is different. Well, those of you who know you have dry skin, Vaseline is a go-to for sure. So we are going to be using just a spoonful of the Vaseline today. So the next thing we're going to be using is the incredible edible egg. Yes, we are. So we all know egg definitely is used to brighten the skin, to even get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, because it does actually tighten the skin. We've talked about eggs before right here on this channel. Not only can egg actually help to remove clogged pores, it will help also eliminate dark spots and age spots over time. Even getting rid of blackheads. It's an amazing little natural ingredient. And you can even use it for your under eyes, for dark circles. It helps to tighten up the skin. It does so many amazing things. And our final secret weapon, y'all, that I did not mention earlier, is rice flour. Rice flour has a brightening and whitening agent in it that helps to give the skin a brighter glow. Yes, it does. It also helps to lighten the skin by removing the dead skin cells. It is definitely going to give you an extra glow, an extra pow to the skin. We'll just be taking a spoon of the Vaseline into our bowl here. And that's wonderful. So for the egg, we'll be using the egg yolk and a portion of the white. So for the rice flour, we'll take simply just about 1 tablespoon of the rice flour. And there it is. And now it's time to just mix it up. Take your time and mix it really well. It will come together, y'all. It will come together. And here is the treatment, all mixed up nicely. Yes, it is. All right, and for the sake of not double dipping, I'm going to actually scoop me some into another little container here, and I can store the rest of this in the refrigerator for about 2 days, so I can actually do another treatment. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it into this other little measuring cup. Okay, now that I have it in here, I won't contaminate it with dipping my brush into the entire bowl. So I just have a little e.l.f. brush that I'm going to use. I love this one for applying my treatments. And I'm just going to apply it generously to my face, neck, and décolleté area. Going to add a little bit more to my bowl here for my neck area. And I'm just dragging it down to my chest. Y'all, this face mask, I tried it, and yes, it is everything. Vaseline, egg white, and rice flour. It'll actually treat your acne, you know, all those random breakouts that happen. If you have dull skin, you're looking at getting glowing skin. Taking care of dry skin, not a problem. Definitely will help with the Vaseline that's in this mixture, and also with the egg yellow, which will also give that extra glow and moisturize the skin. I know we concentrate on our aging skin. Yes, this is for anti-aging, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also for age spots, dark spots, sunspots. It goes on and on. The rice flour will help to lighten and brighten the skin. You will definitely see a big difference in one night. Yes, you will. If you haven't tried any of the other masks that we've done on the channel, it's time to try this one out. So you're wondering if you should use it or lose it. I'm telling you, it is definitely one to use. Beautiful babes, really, after one use, you will notice brighter, softer, and glowing skin. Now make sure you use it on a regular basis, at least 2 to 3 times a week. The egg is going to regenerate the cells and tighten the skin and purge out those nasty pores. And for that beautiful glow and the fine lines, the Vaseline is there to give your skin that great barrier that it needs to seal in the moisture. And the rice flour is going to help to brighten and lighten the skin. It does have a natural bleaching agent in it that will help to reduce the appearance of scars, dark spots, and age spots. And it also can detoxify the skin. It helps to cleanse the skin and get rid of those, again, clogged pores. Now be sure to apply this to a clean face, neck, and chest area, and you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Simply rinse off and pat dry. Again, do this 2 to 3 times a week, and be sure to do it before your bedtime. That way your skin is ready to be cleansed and detoxified for the night, and when you rest, your skin will be able to reap all the benefits of this great treatment that you've done before bedtime. Wow, I just rinsed it off, and y'all, I don't even need a moisturizer. My skin is already thoroughly moisturized, and it is time to hit the hay. Yes, it is. And the skin will just get regenerated, and you'll wake up refreshed. Wow, yeah, I'm loving this, and you will too. Use it or lose it. I say use it, beautiful babes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tap that notification bell, beautiful babes. And at the end of the day, everybody needs to know about this. So please share me with your world. I will see you on the next video.